Hello guys, sorry that I haven't posted in a few days. I've been trying to think of roleplay ideas. So today I'm taking the kids to see some horses, ride some. We are so excited. I'm not excited, I hate horses. Oh, really? Do you hate horses now? Still? Where is that girl? Oh, yoo-hoo, that lady that you like. Yoo-hoo, come here. Hello, what's the issue? Wow, I'll do anything. Ew, back up, Roach. What? Yeah, you don't go up to a woman like that. I'll do whatever she wants. Fine, then come see the horse show. But that's boring. What about me? Oh, of course, I'll do it for you. Okay, let's go. Okay, kids, come on, let's go. Yay! Let's go. I'm so excited. Boom, boom. Hey, you can't walk in the field. Well, we don't really care. Oh, shoot, it's my turn. It's my turn. Ugh, this stupid helmet. I hate her helmet. I am the guardian. Da 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 da. Get up. Put more stables out. But those are too many of them. Those are too many. It will be okay. Come back to the starting line. What's up, bro? What's up? I'm gonna win this. No, you won't. You will never. Come get your tickets. 1 ticket per family. Oh, I'll take that.
You can do what you need.
Wow, you're so beautiful. Erg, stop it. James, stop. She doesn't want to be bothered by you. Erg, fine, Mom. Shut up, Mom. You're ruining my big moment. There will be no big moment if you don't stop. The big moment of... Please be a kiss. The show! The horse show! What? Yay, we're so excited. Yeah, we are so excited. I'm gonna go sit with your sisters. What's up, girls? Hey. Hello. Oh, hey, Jake. Hey, Eli. Okay, she just took that ticket without paying. I'll pay for the girl. The hottest girl ever. Here. Give you all the money I can get. Wow, thank you so much. Hey. Hug, go away. What? I'm all by myself. You, my dear, are the super horse. The best horse ever. I'm gonna be taking notes of these, you guys. I'll join the race. I'll be super good at this. Hello, ma'am. Can I join the race? Without any gear, you won't be safe. I will be safe. Okay, then go to the other side. Whee! You can win a big prize for this. Ugh, you will never win. Yeah, you will never win. Here's your stupid helmet. Thanks, I guess. Okay, you ready? Set. Go. It's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go. Okay, who's going first? I am. Cha, 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 cha. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is not how it's supposed to go. What the? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sir, are you okay? I quit. This stupid horse pushes. I don't care. This stupid game. I will do better. Well, suit yourself. Hiya, 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 hiya. Oh. Runs over a little lady. Let's run over. This is happening just a few hours ago as communities west of the city of Cleveland what is happening? Are you rats? What? I thought you were dead. Shut, 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 shut. You will be now. Next. I will be the best. Yeah. Ready to jump, jump. Good job, horsey. Jump, 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 jump. This horse is the best horse I've seen in a while. You're a good trainer. This is my first time, but first place, right? Yes. I was second, and this horse was third. Get on your horse. Go get on your horses now. I hate this stupid thing. Get your helmet on, young man. Wow, I'm the winner. Well, that was interesting. Maybe we should go, guys. Let's go. Like, now. Let's go now. Yeah, let's really go. Let's go, let's go. Okay, well, we're here. Yeah, we're here. Mom, we're cold. Here, get in these. Thanks, Mom. It's nice and warm. Come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, well. Here, I'll hold them. Mom, I'll hold them. Okay, well. You sure? This isn't for me. Fine, you hold them. Okay. Oh, my gosh. Oh, they're here. They're here. Dude, they're here. What? Why are they here so early? I don't know, but come on, we gotta hurry. Get in there. Get in. Close. How do you close these stupid doors? They don't close, you Dumbo. Are you serious? Org! Bring out all the supplies. Bring out all the supplies. Now. Get one of the poker thingies. Bring out all the supplies. Come on, hurry. Hello, welcome. Hello, yay, it looks so much fun. Wait a minute. Okay. It looks like so much fun. Yeah, it looks like so much fun with you. Stop! Ew, it's gross in here. Yappy, you just walked right into the poop. What? Did you just... this is poop. He'll be fine. Yeah, he kind of always acts like this. Okay, but come along this way. This is the food that we feed them. This is their day food. This is their night food. We already fed them this food, so you guys do not have to do that. Would anybody like to dust for me? I will. Dust. Wow. Wee-woo. You don't even know how to whistle. And stop it. Mom. Ergo, what do you want, boy? Your mom is somewhere. I don't know where she is, but what do you want, boy? I'll not sweep this up. Do you guys want to feed them some food? Ooh, we want to eat. Okay, okay. I'll just sit out here. Okay, go ahead. Go feed them some food. One piece of food per hand. Ooh, carrots are delicious. Sweetie, I don't think you were supposed to eat them. Well, they're fruits, Mom, there's no reason why they can't. Okay, well, let's go. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Horses. I love that one. Can I ride it? You can ride it later, but you have to pay for it. I know. Here you go. Carrot. She loved it. Ew, that's horrible stench. Get that poop. How do you get this poop up? Okay, but move him out the way. Ugh. Ew, gross. Makes me want to barf so bad. Let's rake this. Hug. There we go. Now it's clean. Thank you. Well, I fed my horse that I want to ride. Wow, she looks even awesomer. She is great, dude. No, she's mine. No. Ow, sorry, that hurts so bad. Well, come on. Look, you guys can feed this horse that food. And wow, this little horse is perfect for you guys. Oh yeah, it is perfect for us. What about me? You can go on the other one. Here, I'll get you a nice saddle. I'm gonna be a cowgirl. Look how awesome I look. Now the group has voided the scoring inquiry that led to an increase in child score. Oh, awesome! I look. I'll have the best horse ever. Look at that, my dear. My dear do. Look at my horse. Well, that's not fair. I want a horse. I want a horse saddle. Give me it. You already have one. Give me a helmet. Now I look cool too. And my horse has a ribbon. No, my horse has a ribbon. That's not any of your horse's ribbon. That's this horse's ribbon. Oh wow, the ribbon is awesome. It makes my horse even more special. I might even want to buy it. Ugh, I got my helmet. Ugh, throw this bow away. And throw that away. Look at my awesome horse. I love her. She's awesome. Okay. Wow, this is awesome. Wow. Can I get on with you? Can I get on with you, please? Please, my dear. No! Get away, James! James, stop it! My horse is so awesome! I love it! Well, I don't have a horse, so I guess I'll just go. Well, sis, what's wrong? You don't have a horse? You don't have a horse, sis? No, I don't. Then just get one. Can we borrow these horses? Ew, I don't like that one. Wow. I love this horse. See? Or do you like mine, my dearie boos? Wow, it's so awesome! Let me have that horse, please. But what about me? Womp womp. Erg, get over here. Come on, stand up. Ah! Whoa, what's going on, girls? What the heck are they doing? Girls, stop. Erg. Would you like to take them? Girls, do you really want these horses? Yes, Mom, we really want these horses. Yeah, we could keep them in our in our little farm home, our little farm rental place. Please, please. I guess we can get some horses for all of the kids. Yay, my horse! This will be my horse. Do you want that horse, girl, Miss Thing? Yeah, I really want this horse, but I really don't have enough for it because my parents didn't come. Oh, it's okay. I'll pay for yours. Thank you so much, ma'am. No problem. I'll pay for your horse. I want this horse too, but I want this horse, Mommy. What about our stuff, our horses? Please don't make us leave them. Please. We're going to get them for you guys. Yay, my horses. Do I get a horse? We'll find one for you. There's none left here. There is one. Wow, I like this horse. Bye. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Oh my gosh. James, stop. Wow. Wow, I'm up here with you now. No! Push. How could you? What the? We're getting these horses, honey? Yep, we sure are, I guess. Let's go, horse time! We love our horses. It's horse gear, yeah. Giddy up. Yeah! James, stop it! Okay, well, we're here at the next place. Wow, it's really scary here. If you guys want to ride around with your horses, this is the place. This is the place. Bennett. This is the place. Bennett, this is the place. Bennett. What? They got those super expensive horses? They're so lucky. Yeah, our parents wouldn't get them my parents wouldn't get them for all three of us. Yeah, they would only get one for you, stupid you. I'm not stupid. I'm very nice to you guys. Just because you didn't get a horse doesn't mean you can disrespect me this way. After all this time I've been friends with you. What's happening? Mind your business, loser. Oh, you wanna fight? Boy. Okay, guys, as we were saying, yeah. My body is hurting so bad. Whee! Ready? Come on, horsey. Jump! Whoa! Hello, little girl. Are you by yourself? Oh no, my family is back there. Oh, alright then. Ooh, we better go with the kids before we get arrested. Yeah. Whoa, this log is big. Hello, we're here with her, don't worry. Okay, have a nice day here. It's just you and her. Oh no, it's a lot of us here. What do you mean? I only see one child here. Hello, we're here. Wait a minute. Where is your brother? Oh, phew, you scared me so badly. Wow, you have a big family here. Oh, you see, this is just my son's friend here. But she's here with us today. Okay, well, have a nice day. Kids, go run off and play. Whee! Giddy up. This is the perfect place. What's that? It's a Pegasus. Wow! Guys, come here. It's magical with sparkles. Wow. What are they talking about? They said they found a Pegasus? They can't be true. They can't be. Wow! It's beautiful. It will fly. It flies. Ah! Oh, I need to ask Mommy if I can get this one. We need this. We need it. Mom! What's going on now? Wow, it's a Pegasus. Wow! Can we get it? Please, Mom. It might be our only chance. Honey, should I buy it for them? Okay. You guys can get it! Yay! We got it! Yay! I'm so excited. It's a Pegasus. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm so excited that we got a Pegasus. Yay! We got it. Okay, well, I have a romantic. What's going on? It's a boat. It's a boat for just the two of us. I love this. It's great. It's romance for us. Well, let's go then. This is actually kind of nice. We're just in the middle of this river by ourselves. Hop, hop. Yeah. Wow, it's I don't even know what that is, but it's a beautiful bird, just like you. Thanks. Oh, what are those? We are the gnomes. You have claimed the Pegasus. You shall now take care of it. If it dies, we will die too. What? You're the owners of it? Yes. Do not let it die, because we cannot die. We promise not to. Yeah, we promise. Enjoy your romantic day. That was crazy. So crazy. But let's go back to our romantic moment. I don't want to leave this. Neither. Okay, well, what are we supposed to do out there on the romantic trip? Well, guys, we can just go do something else. Come on, let's go. Honey, why don't you ride the horse? Well, I don't know, honey. I feel like this is kind of wrong. An adult. I'm riding the Pegasus. I want to ride the Pegasus. Whoa. You guys aren't going to be fighting over this. Let your brother have a turn. Because you found it first and you got it. That's not fair. Shouldn't it be the other way around? Well, that's true. So, Jacob, Eli, you're going to have to get off. And let your sister ride. Yay! For how long, Mommy? I want to ride too. Only for 5 minutes. But Mom, I want longer. I'm going to return the Pegasus back. What? My mom said she's going to return it back. What is she doing? No, Mom, you can't. The owner. It's some gnomes. They told us. I don't believe you. Oh, really? You don't believe us? Then get on this boat for yourself. Sorry. We'll have to wait. Ugh. Mom, if you don't believe us, if you don't believe me, then I'll show you. Fine, whatever you say, but it's not going to be true. Okay, Mom, let's go then. Oh, I forgot the paddle. Can I have the paddle? Sure. Thanks. Okay, I got the paddle. Now, you're going to believe me and you're going to be sorry after this. What are those things? We're the owner. Yes, we are the owner of the Pegasus. You have to take good care of it, or else we will come take it back. See, I tried to tell you. Well, it wasn't my fault. I didn't actually know it was true. But how did they just appear like that? All of the animals have to go right there. If one animal comes up, it goes away. I'm sorry for not believing you, but let's just go now. Okay. Ugh, this boat. Ah! Okay, we can keep going. No, we're going somewhere else. Oh, man. Okay, Mom. Oh, I don't mind as long as we're together here. I'm riding my Pegasus. I'm riding the Pegasus. Okay. Let's just go get on our horses. This is my horse. I'll help you up. Thanks. And this is my horse. My horse is so awesome. So is mine's. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. Pegasus, Pegasus, I love this. Pegasus. It's been 5 minutes. Get off now. It's your brother's turn. Mommy, but that's not fair. Matter of fact, it's been 10 minutes, so you have no right to complain. Sorry, Mommy. Get on your horse. And let's go. Does everybody have a horse? Here. Yes. Everybody has their horses. Yeah, we all got them. Okay, then, let's go. Okay, so we're at the last place. This is where you can get the stuff for your horses. So leave your horses here so you can go inside. Maybe get some stuff. Okay, Mommy. But I'm riding my Pegasus. You can ride your Pegasus. Just, ugh, I'm stuck in here. There's too many horses. Help me out. I'm right here, Mommy. Oh, okay. Well, come on, let's go. Let's go. Ugh, no, more customers. Let me just fly away. I'm just gonna fly to my tree so that way nobody knows I'm here. Okay, well, let's go in now. Wow, this is so cool, but there's no workers here. Maybe somebody will come. Wow, I love this stuff. Wow, Tina will love you if I send her a picture of me like this with this super cool shield. I will be the coolest. Yeah. Sis, come fight with me. Okay, well, what's this? A saddle. I need a professional hat. Caw, the blackbird. Ew, you won't win with that nasty outfit. Are you sure about that? Let's see then. Yeah, I'm sure of it, you won't. Ready? Sit. What's the next word? Ugh, see? It's go. Oh, right. Ready? Set. Go! No! Ugh. I told you I would win. I told you I would win. Loser. Loser. Ugh, stop it. Ouch. Sis, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Leave me alone, brother. Mean to me. Mom, brother was being mean. Ugh, what happened this time? Go see for yourself. What did you guys do to the store? We were just playing around. We were doing a fight, and I got mad because I lost. And then I threw my helmet at Emily. Don't do it again. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. We're leaving because there's nothing here, as you can see. There's nothing good there. Are you sure, honey? Yep, we checked. Get in. Okay, but my horsey. Come here, girl. Okay, get in, guys. We're going home now. No, but Mom, please, no!